Okay, next up we're going to be looking at a wireless mouse. This one just sort of a Hong Kong special. They're calling it a Flashmann, but it's a 2.4 gig radial mouse, 2-button scroll wheel, nothing fancy, just $10. But I've had a lot of luck with this kind of stuff, as opposed to buying it from a box store. So we're going to see that you can plug the receiver into the mouse for storage and travel. There's a low power battery indicator. It uses AAA batteries, 2 of them, works with Windows, and says that in a couple of different languages. So we'll bust into it. It just looks like a simple clamshell type of package. Oh, these are spot welded there, which is good because then we get to use a knife. I guess that's probably safer just cutting the rivets. Just 2 copies of the warranty stuff. You can see there's a little place to put this. I guess it's held in there with a magnet. That's pretty neat. Then we've got an off and on switch. Got a place to put the batteries. And I think this is a plastic thing to pull the battery. And it's also telling us which way to put them in. Batteries are in, lights on. So we'll put the dongle into the laptop. Looks like we found new hardware. And it already works. Didn't really have to do anything. So pretty handy for $10. This weighs basically nothing. Seems to work pretty good. Pretty quick reaction times on the screen there. So couldn't be happier. $10, or maybe this is about $14 now that I think about it. Got a Bluetooth mouse in the same order for $10, and it's on its way from China still. So pretty handy little mouse here. Kind of see the room underneath there. Highly recommend them. If you don't have wireless on your machine, it's easy to turn the switch, put this in a bag or a pocket of a pouch, and you've got it handy if you need it. No wires, just change AAA batteries occasionally. What we will do is go ahead and write the date that we're putting these batteries into this mouse. 310, and then that way when we pull them out or when they go dead, we'll have a pretty good idea of how long these batteries lasted. Then we'll replace them with a set of energizers, probably date those and see how long those last. So, wireless mouse for a laptop.